pretty good, man. I've got no complaints so far. We'll try to work myself in a little loop right here somewhere. You guys know me, I'm always making new little loops and never having time to ride them. This is dangerous to have in my loop though. Equally as dangerous. And I just turned my own bike off. There we go. Come up and hit me in the shin. Oh, that hurt, dude. Ah. See, this has been all grown up and I just mowed it a couple months ago for the first time in years. And so there's still a bunch of trees and stuff where the wood's not rotted yet. So as I work in this loop, just kind of thinking like I've got a decision to make with these pit bikes. Obviously I've got the CRF110, it's older, but it's a Cowie and I'm a Cowie guy. And I've got this, which is newer, but one of these is probably going to end up becoming my premier pit bike that I ride. And the other one will probably become Krista's or a guest bike, you know, mixture of both of those. And the question is, which one? I'm gonna ride both out here. And, you know, I've rode the Cadillacs for years, but I have no experience whatsoever on this platform. Whichever one's going to be mine is going to get the BBR springs and damping rods and pro wheel shock, nice plastics and graphics instead of just spray bomb, an exhaust, all the like little pit bike build stuff that makes it fun. This Sedona tire is actually not doing that bad for how wet it is, slick it is. All right, let's reverse it. Foot peg spring is broke over here on this left side, so whenever the peg pops up, it doesn't go back down, so I can get my foot on it. Whoa. I can see a nice rut coming in right there. This part here is definitely the sketchiest because you're coming downhill and it's an off-camber turn and there's like a ditch right here. You can see I went off into it once already. This dirt's going to be sick in a few more dry days though. If I could lose about 40, this thing would pull me pretty well. I I could probably use a little bit higher bars, like right here, that don't, these bars kind of come back and V back, almost like a cruiser. Like I need more of a straight setup. A little taller, a little straighter, and I could rip this thing. I might even grab some taller, straighter bars for this and put these bars on the KLX if I decide to keep this. Alright, I'm gonna reverse it again and see if the look of the track's changed. Whoa! Well, I knew it was gonna happen. Woo! You could see my tire just whoop, slipped right out. I wonder if we can get an idea for any other kind of loop over here. Come around here.